So what I wanted to take some time is a new media consumer insights to sort of I extend about what Mahesh talked about. So I'll run this. What is this India new media space opportunity? As Mahesh was just saying, while the ComScore number says about 42, 43 million, give a quick brief of what the power and potential of new media is. If you look at it, there are corporates like the HLLs, PNGs, and the Aditya Birla Retails or Future Bazaars of the world, and there are 7.5 million small medium businesses in India. So the way they reach 1.1 billion consumers is the traditional broadcast media. At least about 28,000 crores of advertising goes via this broadcast media, which includes mass reach, low CPM, radio, print, your traditional advertising, which is high cost of entry, which none of these other small medium businesses can ever afford. In fact, they say the TV advertisers, regular TV advertisers per year is about 1,200 unique advertisers. No, not the brands. The brands would be slightly more. So, but if you look at directional media, what do we mean by directional media is examples like Google, where people are seeking for that information. I'm typing, I want travel agents in Mumbai, or I'm taking a traditional, I'm reading a print yellow pages book which has gone out of fashion, or I'm looking for a classified ad. So, directional media is where consumers are looking for these information, where particularly internet and mobile dominate. So that is where most of the small medium businesses advertise. And besides this, besides the general consumers buying, consumers are also buying and selling between each other, which is the consumer to consumer space, which is not covered by the traditional modern trade or the general trade. Consumers are just buying and selling used goods between each other. And then there is this end, which is businesses are buying and selling between each other, which is industrial products or wholesalers and mass distributors kind of stuff. So between the entire spectrum of what is possible, if you look at it, the B2B, the B2C, or the C2C, the new media is possibly the only medium which holds, which has potential to serve all three segments of this sector. So this directional new media by 2009 was the second. We already have by 2009 we have the second largest mobile market. We have the eighth largest internet market. By 2012 though, definitely it will be the second or the third largest internet market, and definitely the second largest mobile market, trailing the US in both areas. So the advertising potential is about $1 billion in this area. So the way we look at commerce opportunity, the entire commerce framework from a new media perspective, is that there are these 7 million businesses, which includes both corporates and small medium businesses, and then there are consumers. So these the businesses act as both buyers and sellers, and similarly the consumers act similarly as sellers and buyers, because here we are taking a slightly broader framework where consumers sell their used cars, used bikes, and that kind of stuff. So consumers also offer their products for resale. So, and of course, the company also acts as a sale. So, if you put as a framework, and then we'll use, say, which companies are where, like eBay or Amazon, or the companies in India, which is Future Bazaar and stuff. So, and then there are, if you take all the products in the world, which is new goods, used goods, and services, primarily businesses can sell either of these three items, right? So, if you look at it, the models which exist are, there is auctions and fixed price, where the company is acting as a seller. Like if you go to futurebazaar.com and buy it, or you go to amazon.com, where it offers, Amazon doesn't offer auctions, but eBay does. But the company is acting as a seller, and where the businesses act as a seller using a platform, which includes people like eBay and stuff. And there are leads or people offering deals like Groupon and stuff, where they offer as a platform, and people are offering new goods or used goods. And then there are services. Services where the fixed price doesn't work, but I can buy a deal or a coupon, as Groupon has shown $1 billion in sales in just about 2-3 years of forming.